I hope you're having a wonderful day. What is today?
Christmas Eve.
Today is Christmas Eve, and Sky and I are home today. I'm off. Dave has to work, unfortunately, but we have a really fun day planned. We are going to go to breakfast this morning. We're going to have a little girl date, and then I have to bake like 5 different things because I'm usually in charge of desserts for my grandma's house. And what else are we going to do? We're going to wrap presents, so we'll show you what we got Daddy for Christmas. And then tonight we're going to go to a nice dinner somewhere, and then we'll see the lights. And then Santa Claus, I think, is there a man in a big red suit that comes tonight?
Yeah. And then this guy.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure Sky's been a good girl, so I'm pretty sure Santa's going to pay a visit to our house. So anyway, we will take you guys along with us. I just got out of the shower. We're going to be kind of comfy and cozy today. And yeah, we will take you guys along with us on our Christmas Eve day. Okay guys, we just got to Chick-fil-A. We are going to get a quick bite to eat. It doesn't look too crowded at all, but we are so excited. I'm going to get their chicken minis or their chicken biscuits with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh my gosh, to die for. We're going out to an early dinner, so we thought having like a breakfast would be better, but we're going to get breakfast. Then we're going to go to the grocery store to get ingredients. And are you blowing bubbles back there?
Yeah.
Silly goose. So, and then we're gonna get the ingredients, and then like I said, we're gonna wrap some presents. We'll show you what we got Daddy, and we'll have a fun day. So come on guys, let's go to Chick-fil-A.
I love it.
Okay, went to Chick-fil-A, had breakfast. Next stop, grocery store. We're sticking to the list, right? Sticking to the list. Okay guys, we are back from the grocery store. I picked up a bunch of items that I'm gonna need today. So I have Cool Whip because I'm gonna be making some homemade coconut cake. I am gonna be making some Christmas crack, which is amazing. I am also gonna be making some chocolate covered pretzels, so I got some pretzel rods. I'm gonna be doing brownies, so I got these Ghirardelli brownies just to make it extra special. I'm gonna be making chocolate chip cookies, so I got 24 ounces of these. And then I have heard that when you make the Christmas crackers, it's best to use Ghirardelli because it melts the best. And then we cannot forget, we got some carrot sticks for the reindeer. So I'm gonna get ready to bake, and while I do that, Sky is going to wrap. So let me go ahead and show you what we got Dave for Christmas. Okay guys, Sky is going to help me wrap Daddy's presents, but before she does that, I wanted to show you really quick what we got him. So here's a quick overview. So I wanted to get him a nice dress shirt, so I got this from Express. I thought it was really nice. It's a pretty blue button-down long sleeve shirt, and it was 50% off. And then he wanted a new phone case. This is for his work phone, so I got this on Amazon. And then he has to shave for his work, so art of shaving can be a little expensive, but I got him this little travel kit that includes, you get the shave oil, the shave cream, the aftershave balm, and then you get like a little travel bag and a brush. So I thought this would be a good way for him to try it out. Then I got him this cologne. It's Polo Ralph Lauren Blue. This smells really, really good. I just got him a little size of it. And he had asked for some hand cream. So I went into a L'Occitane, and they said this was some really good hand cream. It's the Intense hand cream for very dry skin. Got that for him, and I can put it in the nice little L'Occitane packaging. And then I got him a portfolio, which he's already using for work, and he wanted these inserts, which I got from Amazon. And then the big gift right here is, what's the big gift?
He saw this jacket, but it wasn't his size. So at Columbia, so we left, and my mom got this for him, which is the same thing. So hopefully it'll make him happy.
Okay, hopefully it will make him happy. Yes, that was a jacket he saw It was on Black Friday. They didn't have a size. It's a really nice insulated Columbia jacket that I think would go good for skiing. And then he also picked out a game, which he already wrapped over there. And then I also got him a little gift card. This is like a spa gift card. So they're all items that are like necessities. So these are all necessities. I think he's gonna really enjoy them. He's gonna be able to use all of these things. So Sky is gonna help me wrap while I start baking. I have been baking for a couple hours now, going on 4 hours, but I am done. I did coconut cake, I did chocolate covered pretzel rods, I did chocolate chip cookies, I did brownies, and then Christmas cracks. So I am done. We are ready to go for Christmas tomorrow when I see my family. So now I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna go out to dinner, so I'll show you what I'm gonna wear, and then I'll kind of do a quick little get ready with me. I'm really excited. It'll be me, Dave, and Sky. It's kind of like a family tradition, so we are looking forward to it. So I will start to get ready, and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear. Guys, okay, we are getting ready to go out to eat, and I just wanted to show you I am wearing this dress. I showed it in my holiday dress video. It's hard to see, but it's like a forest green. I got this necklace from Aldo, and then I am just wearing these heels. They're just nude pumps, but I might wear black. I didn't have gold. I feel like gold would look the best, but I didn't have gold. But that is my outfit. I will link it down below for you guys.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
Okay guys, we had a great day. We did a lot of baking, we had a lot of fun family time, went to a nice dinner, saw the lights, and now it is time to go to bed because there is a big guy in a big red suit that is going to be coming very soon. So I hope all of you have a fabulous Christmas, and I will see you in my next video.
Oh, oh.